Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Blangkon FA, and my name is Fajar Doni Batiar. And today we will learn something about WebSocket, and I think the this this part WebSocket it will be divided into several parts, and this part one it will be make server side. So let's do this, and we can click file new and multi-device. So yeah, don't forget to install Esegece. You can buy on the website Esegece. You can find here. It's loading, and you can find Esegece component here, and you can buy on this website. Okay, so let's do create a server side. We can save this into tutorial, and okay, I think here WebSocket, and then this is a server. Ermine the FG server. Okay, so let's change this caption main form, and then name is mine. Okay, on the verse we will add WS client. You can find Esegece. Where is Esegece? WebSocket. Here you can add this. This is for sorry, not client but server. Here, and you can change this with Esegece server. Or I think as server. Okay, and then you can add edit text and label. Can drag here and here. So copy this label and to edit, and paste, drag in here, and you can rename this with a host or IP server, and then it's a port. So you can set this to and default port is 5414. Okay, and then you can add corner button here. Oops. Okay, like this, and copy paste. This is for oops, this is button connect, and this is button, oops, I'm sorry, this is button stop or disconnect. Can change the text will connect and disconnect. Okay, and why I think we will use data module, and this is move into data module. Okay, you can add new unit, sorry, not unit, but add other database data module. Okay, and then you can save this with udm. Change this name with dm, so you can easy to type. You can cut this and then paste here. Okay, so this is for WS client, web server, and then add one more. It's a Websocket protocol. There are too many type of component here. You can see this is for broker. This is for a protocol, and this is dataset. This is file. It's to send a file into a client and server. And this is WebRTC and other, and we need to add this the Esegece WSP server underscore Esegece. So you can double click here and like this, and you can rename with WS protocol. So you can check set this is WS server. After that, so go back into FRMine, and you can add a memo here. This is for log server. I think we can so we can add rectangle here, layout, and add rectangle, set content, none, and then this is client. Okay, this is client, this is layout, left button. Okay, and copy paste here, not copy paste, but move into layout 1, and then you can do this. Okay, so like this. Okay, I think stroke is not fill. Okay, like this, and then you can change this with mem log. This is log for WebSocket. So inside here protocol, and go to event on connect. This is, you can type but use unit frmine, so you can type frmine dot memlog dot line dot add apps. This is connect connected. So this is for a connection.ip. This event is send log into memo log if the client connect into server. And after that, okay. So you can going to on disconnect. This is you can copy this faster here. This is disconnected. So this is IP, and okay, that's mine. After that, okay, so yeah, this is for server side. This simple server side. You can change this to low data. Okay, and then we will create a client side, and you can right click here and add new project, and you can choose multi-device application, then click OK, choose blank application. So this is for client side. You can save this into random Websocket. Add new folder, it's client. This is fr mine prj client. Okay, you can prj client server. Okay, change this to mine form, and this is to f9. Okay, and then you can add wait, this is you can add tab control here, set client, set content, sorry. You can add item. This is TI set TI connection, and this is for TI log. No, this is for TI mine, and this is for TI log. So you can add here. I think you can copy paste here. You can copy this, but before copy, you can change this name. So it's make you easy to type better. This is add host, and this is add port. Okay, so you just copy this. Sorry, this is copy and paste here. Okay, so I think you can, oops, okay, like this, and this width is 425. You can set same and set curve here. Okay, after that, okay, you can add this memo. This is for log, and you can set content and set margin. This is 12. Okay, and this is set read only. After that, I think disconnect in my blah 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 blah. Okay, so you can add Esegece for client, Esegece Websocket, Esegece Websocket client, and then this is protocol client. You can add this into here. You can change this for where is WS client, and this is a WS protocol. Okay, I think okay, so going to click this WS protocol and go to event, and then you can double click here on connect. You can you can type log. Sorry, this is don't forget to rename this with where is name memlog. Okay, you can go back on code memlog.line.add. This is connected, and going to event and disconnect. This is memlog.line.add. This is disconnected, connected. Okay, and okay, this too many event here. You can see this is for RPC, and this is for subscription. You can subscribe channel, and this is for return from broadcast, and this is from return from RPC. Okay, so you can try compile. You can go back, but before compile you can rename this. I forget. tcmine, and then going to click this fmine and go to event, and so double click here. You can type tcmine.tab index is 0. You can click PRG server, then compile. Yeah, you can see this is for server and this is for client. Okay, so you can oh my gosh, I forgot. sorry, I forgot to code this is. So go back on the PRG server and going to Evermine. You can double click here, connect, and you can type this is you can add use unit. This is Esegece JSON. So Esegece JSON dot set JSON class. This is the Esegece JSON. Okay, and then dm WS server. This is WS server. The server IP. Oh, wait. Not like this. With dm WS server dot binding dot add and do begin. This is set port, and this is str to integer and add port dot text, and you can add IP. This is add host dot text. Okay, so you can connect dm WS server dot active. This is set true. If dm WS server dot active, then begin, and you can type add host.enable false, add port.enable is false, and button connect enable is false. Okay, can copy this, set on the disconnect, paste here, here vm vs server.active false, true. Oh, this is true. Button disconnect enable false. This is true. Okay, this is for server. Okay, so go back on PRG client, double click here and double click this. Okay. Yeah, double click on the button connect, and you can add as JSON, oops, and then set as JSON dot set JSON class. This is the JSON. Okay, OS client dot set port dot text OS client dot host. This is at host dot text. OS client is active set true. This is mass integer. str to integer. Okay, if OS client active, then begin, and mine dot next. Okay, so we can test. This is for PRG server and running. Double click client, compile. Okay, so you can click connect like this, and you can going to client, you can click connect. Okay, it must be so wait, go back here. Oh, this is not set with client, I forget. So you can close this client and running again, connect. Now this, you can see here, this is connect with this IP, and if I click if I close, it will be disconnect like this. So this is real time. And if you connect again, you can see here connected IP this, and if you close, it will be disconnect. But okay, like this. If you can connect on client, this is connected. If you set disconnect on the server side, it will be disconnect too on a client side, just like that. Okay, so this is a simple client server side using Websocket. And part 2, we will make some simple truth: create, update, delete, and read, and using RPC. So thank you for watching my videos, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.